My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a STEM thermometer. Now, what is a STEM thermometer? Well, it's a thermometer that has a long stem on it. So what we do with this is we take the internal temperature of our food to ensure that it is cooked through. Now, these thermometers cost anywhere between $10 to $20, so they're really inexpensive, but they will make you very successful in the kitchen. If I'm cooking a whole chicken or a whole roast, I don't want to cut into it and have all the juices come out of it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to place this STEM thermometer inside the thickest part of the meat, not touching bone. We want the internal temperature of chicken to come between 160 to 165 degrees. We want beef to be between 130 and 145 degrees. And we want ground meat like beef, pork, and chicken to come up to at least 165 degrees. It's really simple to use. And like I said, it will ensure that everything is cooked to perfection. So how do we ensure that the temperature that we read here is accurate? Well, when you throw this in your junk drawer and it gets knocked around, it can change the calibration of the thermometer itself. So what I like to do is get a cup of ice water, and there is ice going all the way to the top. We're gonna stick this in between the ice cubes, and we want this to come down to 32 degrees. That's how we know that this is calibrated. On the other side of that, I can put the stem into a boiling pot of water and set it to 212 degrees. Then you know that your cold side is right and your hot side is right. Buying a STEM thermometer is probably one of the smartest things you can do in your kitchen, especially when the holidays roll around and you're making big pork roasts and big turkeys and things of that nature. While a STEM thermometer is really important when cooking meat products, it's also very helpful when cooking baked goods to ensure that everything is cooked all the way through. My name's Chef Egg, and that's how you use a STEM thermometer.